Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Apex Legends not opening. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to Windows Update Settings and then check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and then go back and go to Graphics Settings. Now make sure to enable this option and then go back and go to GeForce Experience. Drivers, check for updates, and now make sure you have the latest update for your graphics card, and restart your PC. After starting your PC, your problem must be fixed, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.